Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? Summer is upon us and it is going to start getting warm. And so today's product I want to share with you is a tower fan. So this was sent over by a company called PELONIS. And as you can see, it's right here next to me. The only thing you have to do assembly wise is put on the nice 12-inch wide base, which is nice and stable. You don't need any tools or anything like that. Super, super easy to attach. And the fan is 40 inches in height. You're obviously going to get a user manual. It tells you all about it. We're covering that right here in the video. In addition to the manual, you're also going to get a remote control. The remote control takes two standard AAA batteries. You can control everything on it from this remote control. However, if you lose the remote control or you don't want to mess with the remote control, it does fully have all the controls right here on the top, which I absolutely love, because if you don't have to worry about if you put it in a drawer and you lose it, your fan will still work. On the back, it does have a nice deep handle, so it's easy to pick up and carry from room to room if you're wanting to move it around. So very, very easy to just move around, which is another nice thing I like about it. But let's go over all the controls and the features it has. So right off the top, you're gonna have the power button. Simply turn that on and it'll immediately start going. This fan has 4 different modes. So you have a fan speed 1, 2, and 3. Simply, that's just low, medium, and high. And then the 4th setting is eco mode. The eco mode is kind of more unique. It's going to be going from the low speed into the higher speed. So it's kind of bursts of air. So if you just want a little bit more energy, you can do that. If you're trying to sleep and you hate sound, the 1 mode is super quiet. As you can hear, you can barely hear it. Now, the 3, it's a lot louder, but it's also not absurdly obnoxious. You may not want it on when you're watching a movie, but if you're having friends over or whatnot, or you're playing music, it's definitely not gonna bother you at all. So you have your options as far as the various different fan speeds. Next to that, you have the oscillating feature. As you can see, it's moving back and forth. It has a 90-degree oscillation. Very, very easy to turn on and off if you don't want it oscillating. I like oscillating because it's distributing the air, it's pushing it around a lot easier. Then the next mode is kind of like this cloud thing. Those are your different modes. So the first one is just your standard mode. It's acting like a standard fan. Now this fan is considered what's called bladeless because it doesn't have that traditional little kind of fan blades, if you will. It's more of a drum that is rotating, that's got angled pieces, and there's no like little parts that you can stick your finger and get it stuck or anything. It's gonna pull the air in the back and then pull it in the front, and that drum is just rotating in a circle inside the whole vertical element. So this little cloud thing, that's just your normal feature. The next feature is the kind of nature feature, if you will. What the nature is doing is it's trying to simulate more of a natural wind. So kind of like the eco mode, it's gonna go low and high, low and high, and that force is gonna depend on which setting you have it on, the 1, 2, or 3. So it's just trying to simulate a natural breeze, if you will. Then your third option is the sleep mode. So like I mentioned earlier, you can just set it on the 1 if you wish, or you can press the sleep mode and it'll go ahead and run everything at its quietest as possible settings, which is nice. Now, next to that, you're gonna have a timer mode. So if you're one of these people that like to set the fan, fall asleep, you can easily do that with this. I don't really use the timer mode very often, but it's nice to have that feature. So you're gonna have it be able to set it for a 1 hour automatic off. You can do it for a 2 hour, 4 hour, or 8 hours. And once it hits that time, it turns off automatically and you're good to go. But overall, it's a very quiet operating fan. It can put out a lot of air on the highest setting. It doesn't take up a lot of room. You can easily put it in a nice corner and be able to distribute that air wherever you want it. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a brand new tower fan, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.